So the next thing I wanted to chat about is just the versatility of the ideal life framework. What I found was really, fun actually about it was using the framework in a way that would help my business thrive even more. And one of my pain points was being able to launch a team and leadership assessment that was remote because prior to even working with practices all throughout North America, I was physically going in to meet with teams, and obviously there's a big cap. There's a big ceiling to that. So what I went ahead and did is used a portion of that framework and created my own intake form. And so this intake form includes values identification as well as helping the participants craft their mission statement and their personal philosophy. So instead of facilitating a 4-hour session, which is really difficult for my demographic to be able to schedule in their week, with it being in healthcare, I am able to send that really comprehensive and curated intake form ahead of time, and they can do that work on their own. And then we follow it up with a one on one coaching call to really tie it in all together. So I think for any coaches trying to figure out a way forward on how to be more efficient as well as help more people, it's really great to understand that this framework itself translates to so many different industries, but is also so versatile. And, that's a win win for everybody involved.